Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to what has to be day number 2. Yes, day number 2, week 1, spring 2025, day number 2, week 1, spring 2025 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. All right, today is, my name is Mr. Petit. Today is Tuesday, the 2nd of September, 2025. Subject is, of course, mathematics. And the theme, anyone can remember the theme from yesterday? What's the theme that we're doing? Set theory. Set theory, yes. That's the theme. So the theme is, let me add this up. So the theme is set theory. And today we're going to be looking at, the actual topic for today is union and intersection of sets. Union and intersection of sets. How many persons have ever learned union and an intersection of sets? You've heard that before? Union and intersection? Anyone?
I have.
You have? Who's that speaking? What it is? Say they have heard that before.
Ashanti.
Ashanti, good. So that means that this probably might just be review for you. Is there anyone who has never heard of union and intersection of sets? You've never heard of it?
Me.
Rihanna, Amari?
Me.
Okay. Okay, so for those of you who have never heard of it, it'll be new. For those of us who know it, it'll be review. All right. And all of this should be review for us. For a lot of you, this is just review. As we move on, we can get into the more complicated stuff that we need to do. All right. So today we're going to be looking at the union and intersection of sets, and everyone should be writing this down. My question is, for those of you who were here yesterday, what is a set? If you could remember.
A set is a group of things.
A group of things. Very good. A set is a group of things. And for those of us who were here yesterday, what does this mean?
Element of or belongs to.
Very good. Element of or belongs to. And then what does this mean? Wait, let me do it like this. What does that mean?
It's not an element of.
It's not an element of. Very good. It's not an element of. And we also could write, if you want to say how many elements in a set, we write what? We write n, open bracket,
And open bracket, close
bracket. Very good. So my next question is, what do we call a set that doesn't have anything inside of it?
Empty
Empty.
An empty set, or what? What's another word for empty set?
A set, a singleton set?
No.
A null set? A null?
Null set. Null set. And what do we call, what is the symbol for a null set? What's a symbol for a null set or a symbol for the empty set?
Would it be like a 0 with a...
Right.
A circle with a what?
A circle with a line through it.
With a line through it. Very good. And then there's another way to write it.
Two curly brackets.
Two curly brackets. It's going to be like this and like this. That makes sense?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now we're going to be looking at the intersection and union of sets. So let's begin. Everyone should be writing this down. So hopefully you got a chance now to write it down. But everyone should be writing this down. Oh, I didn't send a link to it. What's his name? I didn't send a link to Johnny. I hope you know it's the same link every time. So even though you might not get the link, but it's the same link every time. We don't really change it unless we have to. But if we have to, you will know. All right. But it's typically we use the same link. All right. So just always make a note of that. We always use the same link for classes. So union of sets. When you hear union, Albert, right? What do you think of when I say union? So if something is What do you-
Union
what-
of parentheses.
I said Albert. Albert. There's only one Albert in it. Go ahead, Albert.
Oh, I don't know. I don't really know.
Union. Is union bringing something together or it's pulling it apart?
Or bring some.
Bringing something together. Very good. What are some other words we could use for union? Anyone could answer. What are some other words we could use? Say combine. Combine. What else?
Together.
Together. Very good. What else? Combine, together. How about unite? Unite. Right? So unite. So the word, write this down, the word union. So the word, one second, the word union means to unite or to combine. That's what we mean by union. United or combine. Make sure that when you enter, you have your name so I can know that it's you. I don't want to be saying iPhone, this and whatever. So make sure you have your name. Okay, some people don't have their name, so make sure you have your name so I can know that it's you. All right, and also when we take the register, we could know, okay, so and so is there, and you could be accounted for, and so that we could be able to tell their parents, hey, they was there or they were absent. All right, so make sure put your name. So therefore, so the word union means to combine or to unite. Okay, therefore, write this down for me. Therefore, when we consider the union of sets, we are thinking about bringing the sets together. Okay, so that's what we mean by the union, to bring the sets together. All right, to combine them. That's basically what we mean when we talk about the union, to combine. So we have two or more sets that we have to combine them. Now, when we combine them, it's very important to note that there is no repeat. So we don't tolerate any repeats, but we still combine them. Sorry, we still combine them together. Ashanti, are you there? Where's Ashanti? Ashanti, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Okay, read the two sentences that we have for me, please.
the word union means to unite or to combine. Therefore, when we consider the union of sets, we are thinking about bringing the sets together.
Very good. And Bridget, can you read the two sentences for me, please?
You want me to read the complete sentence?
Yeah, two of them.
Okay. The word union means to write or to combine. Therefore, when we consider the union of set, we are thinking about bringing the sets together.
Very good. So we're bringing the sets together or we are combining them, right? So that's what we mean by the union. So the union, write this down, the union of two sets, A and B, and we only be talking about the union of two sets at this level. You don't need to know. Well, the union of two and 3 sets. That's probably the most that you need to know, right? We ain't gonna do 4 sets and stuff. The most we could do is 3 sets. The union of two sets, A and B, is a new set. Containing all the elements. That are containing all the elements that are in either set A or set B, or both. The union of sets can be thought of as combining or merging elements of two sets into a single set. So we're combining them, right? So the words that I want you to highlight here is in set A, B, or both. So you could highlight that if you have a highlighter, or if you have like a, you know, you could underline it, right? Set A, B, or both, okay? And also what I want you to highlight, the merging, combining or merging of two elements, all right? That's what we mean. Combine, merge, unite, right? Combine, merge, unite. That's the idea of the union, all right? To combine, to merge, or to unite. Brene, where's Brene? Where's Brene?
Right here.
What are some words that come to mind when we think about the union of sets? Union. What the union mean? It's in the first
Well,
line. What it
The
means.
word union means unite or combine,
Very good. Does it mean to pull apart, or it means to bring together?
bring together.
To bring together. So if we have two sets A and B, and we want to find the union, we have to bring them two sets what?
Together.
Together. Very good. That's what I mean by the union. Does that make sense, Carlton? That's Carlton. Carlton Strong.
Yes, sir.
So when we think about the union, what are some words we could use to describe the union? Carlton.
Well,
Union. What we could say? What words we could use?
Let's say things like engine.
well, combination,
Combination. Very good. What else?
unite,
Unite. Very good. Combine, merge. All of them. That's what we mean by the union. All right. So
Some feedback.
thank you. All right. So let's write this down. For the union. This is very important. It's probably going to be one of the most important parts of this. For the union of sets, we must list the distinct. Does anyone know what we mean by distinct? I think I mentioned that yesterday. What do we mean by distinct? Distinct. Exact, not exact. No, not exact. Distinct. We must list the distinct elements of. Distinct is very similar to the word unique. And you all know what unique means, right? Right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So distinct basically means one of a kind. So basically it means no repeats. No repeats. That's what it basically means. So you can't have no repeating. So we must list the distinct elements of both sets. Okay. And we must avoid all duplicates. Okay. So this has to be bold, in bold when you write it. No repeating elements. No repeating elements, okay? No repeating elements, none. Absolutely no repeating elements. So Cleveland, when we are writing our union, are we gonna?
He put a sign up outside.
Someone have a question? No? Okay. Cleveland, when we are writing our union of sets, are we going to have any repeating elements?
No, sir.
No, exactly. No repeating elements. See, Sion. Where's Sion? Sion. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
When we are writing our union of sets, are we gonna have any repeating elements?
No, sir.
No, there's no repeating elements. So it's only gonna be distinct elements, unique elements, no repeats. All right. So let's go ahead and do some examples. But before we do our example, Jasmine, where's Jasmine? Jasmine, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Did you send in your notes from yesterday?
Yes, I did.
I don't see them. I don't see them. I was looking for it today and I didn't see it. So can you message me so I could know which chat it comes from? Because I still haven't seen it. All right. Go ahead. Is Kylia here? So Kylia, I don't see Kylia. So Sharonik, can you read the paragraph that we have here? Sharonik.
Union of set. The word union means to unite or to combine.
We could barely hear you.
Therefore,
We could barely hear you. Sound muffled. So I don't know if you could fix that. Because we want to hear you clearly.
you can hear me now.
Much better.
The word union means to unite or to combine. Therefore, when we consider the union of sets, we are thinking about bringing the sets together. The union of two sets, A and B, is a new set containing all the elements that are in either set A or set B or both. The union of sets can be thought of as combining or merging elements of two sets into a single set. For the union of sets, we must list the distinct elements of both sets, and we must avoid all duplicates. No repeating elements.
Very good. No repeating elements. Okay, so and if that's the case, let's go ahead with the example. So with this example, we're gonna work with it together, and then after that, we're gonna I'm gonna give you something to do on your own. Okay. All right. Oh, so Shazman, you use your mommy phone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So example. In each case, find the union of the sets. So in each case, we're gonna try to find the union of the sets. Not try, but we're going to actually do it. Okay. So in each case, we're gonna find the union. So number one, let's say that we have the set. Let's say we call the set. Say we call the set. Let's say we call the set A. Set A is equal to open bracket 1, 2, 3. Okay. Set B is equal to 7, 8, 9. Rashid roll. Where's Rashid roll?
Go.
Right here.
Yes, you have a question for me? I see hand raised.
So I was telling everybody that I was new to the class. I know.
Oh, you're trying to say that you're new. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
okay, so there's something that you don't understand so far?
Yes, sir.
What you don't understand?
I never really do all this.
Okay. All right, no problem. So you can help us with our first example, okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, so let's work with this.
Hello.
Hey, good afternoon. Or good evening,
Afternoon.
rather.
Well, I'm new to the class.
You're new as well, so you wasn't
My
there
name is
yesterday.
Antonia Williams.
What's the
No,
name?
sir. Antonia Williams.
Antonia Williams. Oh, I remember that name. Okay, good. Is there anything that you do not understand so far? Are you okay? All right, no problem. So for Antonia and what's his name? Rashid. For both of you all, you're gonna do number 1, she's gonna do number 2. So that y'all could be able to get it. But it's a very easy concept, and we're gonna work through it. All right. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to find the union. Okay. We need to find the union. So this is the symbol for the union. All right. Let's enter the U, A, U, B.
I remember this now.
You do remember it, right? Some people may remember it. Okay, so we want to find the union of two sets. Now, Rashid, right? When we say union, what do we mean by union? Does that mean a combination, or does that mean breaking apart?
That means the same.
Not the same.
I mean,
Not
like,
the same. When we say union, right? Union.
Combination. That means a combination.
Exactly. It means a combination.
The combination.
So it means like we're trying to unite the two things together. You understand what I'm saying?
Oh, now.
You understand?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay. For those of you who already know the answer inside the chat, chance inside the chat. Okay, if you know the answer already. Okay, so if we want to find the union of set A, Rashid, we want to find the union of set A and the union of B. Okay, we want to find the union of them. What you think is going to be the union of set A and set B? Remember, we have to combine them. So we're going to put in the union.
3 and 9.
No, we need to put everything in the set, right? And we need to put everything in the set. You know that? So that means that we're gonna put 1 in it. So 1 goes into the union. Okay. We're gonna put 2 in the union because 2 is a part of A. We're gonna put 2 in the union. We're gonna put 3 in the union, right?
So
And we're gonna put everything in B. Does that make sense? So that means that what? What goes in the union? 7 goes in the union, right?
So it would be 7, 8, 9.
Yes. 8 will be in the union, right? Right. What else would be in the union? And 9 would be in the
Close
union.
bracket.
Then you have to close the bracket. All right. Does that make sense? And that is the union. Because remember, what does union mean? Union means to what? Unite or what? Or to what? Combine.
Combine.
That makes sense? Does that make sense to you?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
it do.
let me see in the chat who already had it. Ashanti, very good. She already had it. Sam already had it. Leandre already had it as well. And several others had it inside the chat. Rochelle, no, already had it. Leandra, Cleveland, very good. Y'all already had it. So that's the union. So please understand that the union means are we going to unite the two sets? If we have set A and set B, we're going to take everything in set A and everything in set B and we're going to bring it together. So class, does that make sense to y'all? You know, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm not only talking to 3 persons. The rest of us, does that make sense to us?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it does.
Good.
Yes,
So that's the first one. So let me put everything together. This is gonna be. Oh, y'all could actually do the reaction thingy. So I'm just start doing that. So 1, 2, 3, 7, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Close. Okay. So for number 2, let's do number 2. I want Nay. You got us at number 2. Okay. So number 2 is gonna say. So we have set A. Okay. So set A. Set A. And set A is gonna have the elements 10, 11, and 12. Okay. And set B is going to have set B. Set B is going to have. Set B is going to have. Set B is going to have 16, 16, 17, and 19. Okay, set B is going to have 16, 17, and 19. And we want to find the union. Okay. And we want to find the union of these two sets. Okay. So, Nay, how are we going to do it? What's going to be a part of our union?
It would be open brackets, 10, 11, 12.
10, 11, 12,
16, 17, 19, close bracket.
Very good. Very good. Does that make sense? That make sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Good. So the union, like we said, everyone, is we're going to take 10. That's a part of A. We're going to put it inside our union. We're going to take 11. That's a part of A. We're going to put that inside of our union. Okay. We're going to take 12. That's a part of A. We're going to put it inside our union. Okay. We're going to take 16. That's a part of B now. We're going to put it inside of our union. We're going to take 17. We're going to put it inside of our union. We're going to take 19. We're going to put it inside of our union. Remember what union means. Union means to unite or to combine. So we take our two sets. We take our two sets, A, right? That's our first set. And we take our next set, B, right? That's our next set. And we combine them, everything in A and everything in B, and we put them in one set so that we have the union. That's the union, all right? A union B. And so that's how we do it. Everything in set A, right? And everything in set B combined, all right? And that's how we find the union. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. This is going to be our final one before I ask you all to send notes. Everyone must be writing this down. Everyone must be writing this down inside of your books. Are y'all writing this down? Let me know if you're writing this down. Everyone should be writing this down.
Yes, I'm writing it down and screenshotting it.
No, sir.
Yes. You have to write this down. Who said they're not writing it down?
What is it?
You have to write this down in your book. So you should have a black and white book for this class. All right, you have to write this down. I'm going to ask for the notes in a few short moments from now. Okay, so set A. Okay, so set A, we have let's say, oh, by the way, it doesn't only have to be numbers, it could be letters as well. So for set A, we have A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, okay? And for set B, okay? Set B, we have C, D, E, G, and I. All right. So inside the chat, I'm not gonna answer this for y'all right away. Inside the chat, I want you to put the union of set A and B inside the chat. Do that for me. Put the union of set A and B inside the chat. Do that for me right now. Put the union of set A and B inside of the chat. Cordell Pratt, where's Cordell? Cordell Pratt, are you there? Where's Cordell? Cordell, can you hear me? Cordell Pratt. Can I from Cordell? Davinique Gilton?
Yes, sir.
Are you writing this notes down or are you just watching the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good.
I'm ready.
And D'Angelo Smith, are you there? Where's D'Angelo? D'Angelo Smith.
Yes, sir.
Are you writing these notes down?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding it or no?
Yes, sir.
That's good. And Denaj Moss. Where's Denaj Moss?
Yes, sir.
Are you writing down the notes?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what I'm teaching?
Yes, sir.
That's good. And Gina. Remember, put the answer for number 3 inside the chat, please. I want to see if you all get it. Put the answer for number 3 inside the chat. Put the answer for number 3 inside the chat. Why are some people answering inside the chat without curly brackets? Do we answer set questions without curly brackets?
No, sir.
No, we don't.
Class,
No,
do we
sir.
answer set questions without curly brackets?
No, we don't.
No, sir.
No. So how come people are putting stuff in the chat without curly brackets? They know who they are. You have to put the curly brackets, all right? And it's not open brackets, it's curly brackets. Do y'all know how to find the curly brackets on the keyboard? Y'all know how to find it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See
No,
my
sir.
it's next to P on my keyboard. I don't know how it is on y'all, but it's next to P on mine.
Just press shift while pressing it.
Yeah, just press shift while pressing it. Okay. All right. So yes, or you could just, yeah, or I could put it inside the chat. Let me put it inside the chat. You probably just could paste, you just could copy it. Okay. Okay. And Gina, where's Gina? Gina, are you there? Where's Gina?
Yes, sir.
Are you writing this down?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what I'm teaching or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. All right, so let's begin. Let me go ahead and answer number 3. Do I have any volunteers for number 3? Anyone want to try?
Me?
Cleveland? Cleveland, you always answer it. Let me give someone else a chance. So anyone
No.
else?
Me.
No,
Israel.
no, not Israel. No, not Israel. Someone else.
Me,
Who's me?
Cristiano Smith.
Cristiano. You need to put your name, Cristiano. Do you know how to do that? Let me fix it for you.
No, sir.
Cristiano Smith. You had your name on yesterday. What? You changed your device?
No, sir. Same device.
Yeah. Okay. So y'all make sure I put your name in the thingy. Like Zoom user. I don't know what that is. Zoom guest. I don't know what it is. So make sure I put your name so we can know. All right. Go ahead, Cristiano. How are we gonna answer this?
We start with an open bracket.
Open bracket. Good. What we gonna put?
A.
Uh-huh.
B.
Uh-huh.
C.
Uh-huh.
D.
Uh-huh.
E.
Uh-huh.
G.
Wait.
I.
What you think? You think it's G then I?
I.
I first or then G?
The I.
I then G. Let's go with GI. Okay. All right. So question is, class, is he correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You're
sir.
sure? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me give y'all another option. Maybe
Okay,
y'all
I ain't sure.
you're not sure. Okay. So
I
let
sure
me
I little indecisive.
yeah, undecisive. Okay, so what if I have A, B, C, D, E, because that's all of A, right? This is all of A. Okay. And then I have C, because now I have to put B now. So B. So C, D, E, G, and then I. Okay. Is this the union?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Is this the union?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why isn't this? Why you think this is not the union? Why you telling me this is
Just
not the
said
union?
yes.
Because
The
they are
distinct
same
elements and don't put no
elements.
duplicates in it.
Say it again.
They say
Because
this
they are
mod-
repeating
mod-
elements.
Very good. There should be what? No what?
Repeating
No,
elements.
no repeats. No repeats. No repeats. So you cannot have C twice. You only have supposed to have it once. You cannot have D twice. You're supposed to have it once. Right? So you cannot have, and you cannot have E twice. You're only supposed to have it once. All right? So what does that mean? So after you write A, B, C, D, E, right? Like how we did here, A, B, C, D, E. Then you don't have to write it again. You go straight to what? G and then I. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. How many persons got this right? Don't lie. Persons
I
got
did.
this right.
I
I
How many
did.
persons got this
I
right?
did.
I got it.
I
You
get
did?
it right, but I
Got it
still
right?
wasn't indecisive.
Wasn't
got
sure? Put I inside the chat if you got it right. Let me see you all got this
I
right.
got it right.
Let me see. Put I inside the chat if you got it right. All right. Good. Excellent. That's most of you all. Good. All right. What I want you to do is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need to see everyone's work, by the way. Now, if you do not know my number is 426-8891. So add me on WhatsApp and send in your work, please. 426-8891. I need to see everyone's work, please. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to do that right now. Okay, I see Jed Monroe. I see Cleveland Ramsey. The rest of you, you need to send in your work. Do that right now. Take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp.
We taking a picture of the screenshot and send it.
No, I don't need my screenshot. I have my screenshot. I need a picture of your notes, of what you wrote down. That's what I need.
Okay.
Yeah. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Danaj, thank you. Renee, Sony, Sharonik, very good. Davani, very good. If you're new, please put your name when you send in the notes so I can know it's you, if you're new. Okay. But take a picture of your work and send it to me. Thank you, Ronika. Thank you, Ashante. Thank you, Rodrigo. Take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp. So this is the union. This is the union. Union means to combine or to join. Okay, that's what we mean. Does anyone have any questions on this before I move on to the intersection? Any questions on this? Let me know before I move on to the intersection. Is there any question? Thank you, Jasmine. Very good. Okay, so if that's good, then let's move on to what we call the, by the way, this is my number 4268891. If you're new, please send the notes to this. All right. Rashid, have you sent in your notes? Rashid. Rashid?
Oh yes, I type it in. I'm in my WhatsApp right now.
Remember, when you send your work, make sure to put your name, because this is your first time, so put your name so I could save your number. All right?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, so this is the union. Where's Ajani? Ajani, can you hear me? Where's Ajani? Where's Ajani? Where's Ajani?
So,
Ajani, have you sent in the notes? Ajani, can you hear me? Have you sent in the notes? All right. Take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp. You understand me, Ajani? Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, do you understand this, what we have done?
yes, sir.
How did we do number one? Explain to me how we do number one. How do we get the union? What do we do?
Pardon me?
Explain number one. How do we do number one? Explain number one to me. How do we do that?
I can't hear you.
Ajani, can you hear me? Hello? I think it's Wi-Fi is the problem. All right, what I want you to do is take a picture of your notes, Ajani, from this slide and send it to me via WhatsApp. I think you have an internet problems. Okay, so let's move on. We did the union, so now we're gonna be dealing with the intersection. All right. So now we're gonna be looking at the intersection of stuff. Okay. So intersection of sets. By the way, my number is still on the screen, so you could also get that. Intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. So when we think about the intersection. So when I say intersection, what words come to your mind? Intersect. What words come to your mind? Say it again. What words come to your mind when I say intersect?
Come together.
Like separate.
Come
like
together. Okay.
Go through.
Go to.
Cross
Okay.
path.
Who said that? That's absolutely right. Cross path, right? That's the intersection. You know the intersection on the light?
Combine.
Pardon, Mr. D, there's another word, intertwine.
Intertwine. Okay, I like that. When we think about the intersection, like the intersection on the light, right? The intersection on the light.
Aligned through.
Align through, yes. Align through. When you think about the
Separation.
intersection, say it again.
Separation.
Not separation. If the intersection are not separated. If you think about the intersection of the, not parallel, definitely not parallel. When you think about the intersection, right? The intersection is where all, so for example, right? Let's say you are the light, right? And you know, you have this road, right? And then you have this road. Oh gosh, and you have this road, right? Then you have this road. You know what? Wait, go ahead.
A T-junction.
Like a T-junction, yes, right? And then you have this road right here. right? So this is the intersection right here. Right here is the intersection, right? Right? Yes or no? So talk to me. This is the what?
Right.
Intersection, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Right.
when we say intersection, right? This is where all of the parts, what? They what?
Connect.
Connect. Very good. That's a
Meet,
good word.
meet.
Yeah, very good. That's where all the parts meet or where all the parts connect. Okay, that's what I mean by intersection. So it's where all the parts meet, where all the parts connect, where all of them. There's another C word that we use that really captures this idea. The word that we use, and you might find it in some of the physics classes that you do, is where all the parts converge.
Would connect be a good word?
Yeah, connect is a good word. Where all the parts converge. Converge. You know what converge means? Converge means that's where they meet. Like all of them meet at this particular point. They converge right here. All right. Does that make sense to y'all? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
So that's what we mean by the intersection. Intersection is going to be where they overlap. So if we have two sets, right, like this, and I say that this is A, and I say that this is B, and I say that this is C, which letter is the intersection?
B.
B.
Is it
Very
B?
good. B. Very good. B. B is the intersection. All right. Okay. All right. So B is the intersection. So B is the intersection. All right. So that's where everything meets. Does that make sense? So
Yeah.
so that's like the overlapping place. Okay. All right. So that's what we mean. All right. So let's go ahead and write this. So we have so when we think about intersection, words like, give me the words like overlap, converge,
Combine.
not combine. We don't want to use combine because you might mix that up with union. Overlap, converge, meet, right? And crossroads may come to mind. Indeed, the intersection. Yeah. Say it again. Convergence, very good. Indeed, the intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets is a new set. Is a new set containing elements that are common. Put this in parentheses and make sure I capitalize it. That are common. So when we think about the intersection of two sets, we're thinking about all of the elements that they have in common. All of the elements that they have in common. Okay? To both sets. Have in common to both sets. Okay? The symbol for the intersection is, does anyone know the symbol for the intersection of two sets?
Is it a upside down U?
An upside down U. Who said that?
Israel.
Israel, very good. It's upside down U. It is an upside down U. So the intersection is going to be, let me clear our drawings. Let me clear everything. Oh, this is my number, by the way. 4268891 for those persons who need to send in the notes. Okay. So it's going to be upside down U. Okay, upside down U. Okay, no, I'm sorry. That's the union.
I
It's
was
gonna be
just about to say it upside down, or just use a capital N.
yeah, an upside down U-ball. You can't use a capital N. Not a capital N. No. All right, so yeah, you can't use that. Okay, so that's the union. And we write A, set A is set A intersects with B. Okay. This is red. This is red. This is red. A intersect B. All right, so that's how we write it. So the symbol for the intersection is going to be the upside down N. So remember that. It's different from the union because union is actually, you know, the nice U, and the intersection is going to be the upside down N. All right. Okay, so where is Israel? Israel, are you there?
I'm here.
Go ahead and read this paragraph, please, when we think.
When we think about the intersection, words like overlap, converge, and crossroads may come to mind. Indeed, the intersection of two sets is a new set containing elements that are common to both sets. The symbol for the intersection is an upside down U, and we write A intersect B. This is read A intersect B.
Thank you. Very good. So let's move on. So let's go with the examples. So the examples is so we have in each case, find the intersection of the two sets. In each case, find the intersection of the two sets. So let's say we have number one. There's going to be, say, oopsies, let me go back here. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. Okay. Let's say set B is equal to set B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And our goal here is to find what is the union, what is the intersection, not the union, what is the intersection of the two sets. That's our goal. What is the intersection of two sets? Okay. That's our goal. So here we want to find the intersection of two sets. Okay. So for the intersection of two sets, someone raised their hand. You want to answer it? Go ahead.
1, 3.
1, 3.
8.
And 8. Do we agree with them? He's saying 1, 3, and 8. Is that the intersection?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Joshua?
Yes, sir.
What do we mean by the intersection?
When the
Finding
numbers.
what are both common in both of the sets.
Very good. What's common in both of the sets, right? So we know that 1 is a part of A. 1 is also part of B. So those two are in common. So 1 definitely goes inside of the intersection. Okay. What else is common? 2 is not common in both of them. 2 is only in A. What else is
3.
common? 3. Very good. 3 is common. 3 is common in both
8.
A and B. Okay. Well, 4 is only in A. 4 is not in B. 6 is only in A. It's not in B. Now we have one more, which is
8.
8. Very good. So 8 is in both. Very good. So 1, 3, and 8. Do we agree that's 1, 3, and 8? Y'all agree? 1, 3, and 8.
Yes,
1,
sir.
Yes, sir.
3, and
Yes,
8.
sir.
1, 3, and 8. Very good. That is the intersection. Does that make sense? 1, 3,
Yes.
and 8. 1, 3, and 8 is the intersection of the two sets. A intersect B. 1, 3, and 8. Okay, so that's how we do the intersection of sets, right? Math is easy. Don't make it hard. Okay, so what is going to be? It's going to be 1, 3, and 8. That's the intersection. All right. So let's do another one. So that's pretty easy. So for this one, remember in union, we do not include what's overlapping. But for the intersection, we do include them. Okay. So let's do another one. Please make sure to write this down inside of your books. So let's say we have this one. This is, I put this on this side. I put this on this side.
Oh, I get it now. So if you have to spot out the ones that are common.
Exactly. Yeah, you have to spot out the one that is common. All right, so let's say we have 3, 6, 10, and 14. Okay. 3, 6, 10, and 14. And then for B, by the way, for this one, the first, should I do top 5 or top 10? What do you think? Top 5 or top 10?
Top 10.
Top 10? Okay. So the first 10 people to put their answers inside the chat correctly with the curly brackets will be a part of the top 10 for number 2. So number 2, do not say the answer out loud. Put your answer inside the chat. Okay? In the chat. Top
Jimmy,
10.
How will we be able to put the upside down U in the chat?
You could use, for those persons who could like copy and let me put inside the chat, because you could copy and paste it, or just put the set. You see what I'm saying? Just put the set. You don't have to put like the actual thingy. Just put the set. Okay. But this is union. Intersection. If you want it, it's in the chat. You could paste. You could copy that. All right. Okay. So B is equal to, like I say, top 10. Put your answers inside the chat. You will be recognized as a part of the top 10. So 10, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, so what is the intersection? Don't say it out loud, put your answers inside the chat. What is the intersection of A and B? What is the intersection of A and B? Okay, put your answer in the chat. What is the intersection of A and B?
Mine's in the chat.
Yours in the chat already? Wow.
Mine's in the chat.
Mine's in the chat.
Wow. Wow, you're fast.
I got mine.
Mine in the chat.
All right. Let's see. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. I give you all 10 more seconds. Yeah, y'all came prepared. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. And then we're gonna answer it. Okay, what y'all answer is? Let me know.
10 and 14.
10 and 14.
10 and 14. Very good. 10 and 14. How many persons had 10 and 14? How many persons had 10 and 14?
Me.
Very good. 10 and 14 is the answer.
Me.
So let's look at it. 3 is part of A, but 3 is not a part of B, so we can't use that. 6, same thing, it's a part of A, it's not a part of B. But look, 10 is part of A. 10 is also part of B, so that's part of the union. The intersection, so we can put that there. So 10 goes here. Okay, that's 10. And then we have 14. So 14 is here. 14 is here. So 10 and 14. Okay, 10 and 14. And that is definitely the intersection of two sets, 10 and 14. Does that make sense to y'all? Let me know if that makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so who were the
Yes,
top
sir.
10? Who believe that they're part of the top 10? Let me hear.
Me.
You believe
Yes.
you're top, you believe top 10? Okay.
I
Top
believe.
5. Who think they're part of the top 5?
I'm not sure with that.
Israel.
Top
For me?
5. Okay.
You type in a little
All
late.
right. Type in a little late. Okay. All right. Forgive me if I pronounce your name wrong, but this is our first week, so we're getting used to it. So, drum roll, please. Any drum roll? Who could be our drum roll guy? There we go. There we go. Good. All right. So the first person was actually Leandre. Very good, Leandre. Then Leandra Clark. Very good, Leandra. Second. Then Israel. Very good, Israel. Then Jasmine. Then Cleveland.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Then Omaro. Then Rodrigo Roll. Then Rashid Roll. Then Davanique Clinton. And then Davanique, sorry. And then Samaya. So that's your top 10 right there. So very good for those persons who answered swiftly. All right, so let's do one more, and then we're gonna my question is
this another competition?
Say this one? No, this one
The
this
third
one
one.
is
The
good.
third one.
The third one? No, you don't have to. It's not, don't rush. You don't have to rush for the third one. We're gonna try to understand it. So we're gonna put 10 and 14 for this one. So number 3 is, my question is, does it only have to be like numbers, or could it be like
No, sir.
other things as well?
sir.
No, sir.
Good. So this is gonna be, let's say we have apples. Okay. Let's say we have oranges. Let's say we have grapes. Let's say we have bananas. The best fruit inside of all this is definitely the oranges. What y'all think?
I'm
We agree?
glad
The
we have
bananas?
in common.
The bananas? The bananas? No way. No way.
Yes,
The
way.
grapes?
Orange. I agree with you.
The
Orange.
oranges? Exactly. Orange is the best. All right. All right. So then we have B is going to be, so B is going to be, said B is going to be, say, come on, said B is going to be, give me some fruits.
Blueberry.
Peach.
Pineapple. Pineapple.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay.
Peach.
Watermelon. Watermelon. What else?
Strawberry.
Blueberry.
Strawberry. Yeah.
Chicken.
Strawberry. Chicken is not chicken is not a fruit. Pineapple, watermelon, orange. We need one more.
Mango.
Mango. Very good. Who said mango?
Cristiano.
Very good. Very good, Cristiano. Very good. Mango. Mango has to be top 5. Like, if mango is not a part of your top 5, I don't know. Only because the hairs.
Something is wrong. It's not top five.
Only like the hairs. You know, some people don't like the hairs, but mangoes are still good. Some people like mangola better. So that's the thing. Okay, so what is going to be in the intersection of these two? So what is the intersection going to be?
Oranges.
Oranges? Really? Is that the one that's in common? Intersection? What's the intersection going to be for this one?
Orange.
Only oranges.
I think it's oranges. What fruit is in it's common in both?
Orange.
Yes.
Oranges.
All right, no other? Nothing else?
Nothing
Nothing
else.
else? Nothing else?
Nothing else.
Okay. I thought to put oranges. This isn't plural. Okay. Oh gosh, someone's phone. Okay, so make sure your mic is muted, please. All right, so we have, there's gonna be, if you look at both sets, oranges is in both, okay? So since oranges is in both, orange is a part, orange is in the intersection. So the intersection, what do we call this, by the way? What do we call this set? It's only has
A singleton set.
very
A singleton.
good. A singleton set. It only has one element in it, we call it a singleton set. All right, so the intersection is going to be A intersect B, which is going to be orange. Does this make sense? Y'all, let me
Yes,
know. Okay. All right, take a picture of your work and send it to
Yes.
me via WhatsApp. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Jed Monroe, do you understand this? Jed Monroe. Jed Monroe, do you understand this? Where's Jed? Jed Monroe, are you there? Where's Jed Monroe? Can't hear from Jed. Jalipsa, where's Jalipsa? Jalipsa? Jalipsa, can you hear me?
Hello?
Jalipsa, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, can you hear me? Jalipsa, where is she? I don't know if she could hear me. I can't hear her. But Jalipsa, I want to know if have you sent in your work? And where is Leandra Clark? Leandra Clark,
Yes, sir.
have you sent in your work?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And
Yes, I sent.
Nikki Oliver, have you sent in your work? Nikki? Nikki Oliver? Can't hear from
I'm writing
Nikki.
it right down. I'm writing it down now.
You're writing it now. Okay. Omara, have you sent in your work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And O'Neill Cash, where's O'Neill Cash?
Sure.
Have you sent in your work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you understand what to do?
Sure.
That's good. Okay, good. All right, so let me Malik, have you sent in your work as yet? Malik? Where's Malik? Have you sent in your work, Malik?
No, sir. Not as of yet. I apologize.
What part are you on? Are you writing it down?
Yes, sir.
Which part are you on?
I finished, so I'll take the picture.
Taking the picture now, that's good. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is I think that what time is it? It's 7:07? Okay, good. So resume slideshow. Okay, good. So what I want us to do now is let's do a great exercise on this, and then we could move on. So
Is this a competition, Mr. Badu?
no, it's not everything is not a competition. Everything is not a competition. So
So you
let's
have
do
to say mine, I'm thinking.
oh gosh. We're just doing a great exercise on it. Okay, great exercise. Great exercise number 1. Now you should always be in competition with yourself. You know, trying to be the better version of you than yesterday, but you know, competition with others is no, you don't need that every day. All right, great exercise number 1. So write this down for me, please. This is something that you're gonna do on your own, and then we're gonna go over it together. You're gonna do it on your own. So what word? This is based on the notes that I gave. So what word is similar? Write this down in your book, please. To union. What word is similar to union? You can also write down the options as well. I repeat, write down the options as well. Don't just write down the letter and say, oh, Mr. Petit, I finished. No. Intersect, combine.
Wasn't here when y'all do union?
Say it again.
I wasn't here when you do union.
Who's that speaking?
Bar?
Who's that speaking?
Leandre.
DeAndre? Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the slide so you can take a picture of it, okay? You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Good. And if anyone else who need the notes from Union, I'm gonna go back briefly so that you all can have a picture of it. So which symbol is used for the union the union of two sets. Which symbol is used for the union of two sets?
But I know it.
This is in the end, you have the answers in your book, all right? In your book. Not out loud, not in the chat, in your book. Write down the questions as long as the answers. Make sure you also write the options as well. Make sure to do that. All right. So A is equation. This is A is that. B is B is U. Insert. C is small c. C is intersect equation. C is N. A, B, C, D.
I read the options too.
Yes, you have the right options as well. And E is, this is going to be E with a slash. Okay. Okay, good. Number 3 says which symbol is used for the intersection of two sets. Again, everyone should be writing this down in their book. Write down the question along with the options as well. All right, and it's the same thing. And number 4. Find the union.
I thought the E was element.
Find the union. You don't have to give out the answers. Find the union of the two sets. So number 4 is not a multiple choice question. Number 4 is, I'm giving you the set A and B, and you're going to tell me what the union is. All right. So again, number 4 is not a multiple choice question. So we have set A, and set A contains (13), (32), and 44. Set B contains (44), 67, and 90. So I want y'all to find what is the union of the two sets. Is everyone writing this down, or y'all just looking at the screen?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Yes, sir, ready.
Good. So for this one, we have to find.
You just gave us the answer for number 2.
And we have to find the. Nope. Actually, you're right. Let me just put the answer. The union. Answer. So y'all answer that. And then find the union. Number 5, we want to find the intersection. Of the two sets. So let's say we have number 5. So the intersection is going to be, so let's say we have set A let's say set A has 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B has 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, and 7. I'm gonna find the intersection of the two. So again, number 4 and number 5 are not multiple choice. You have to actually find the intersection and union of the two sets. All right. So this is gonna be the answer. Okay. So that's just 5 questions. Hopefully you get 5 and 5. Okay.
When we done, we send it to you.
Once you're done, you send it to me on WhatsApp. You take a picture of your work and send it to me on WhatsApp. Zoom user. Who is Zoom user? Zoom user. Who is that? Zoom user. If your name is Zoom user on the call or on the meeting, please let me know so I could change the name. Who is Zoom user? It just says Zoom user. I don't know what that is. Tina Sweeting. Where's Tina Sweeting? Tina Sweeting.
Can you see my name?
What's your name? Oh yeah,
Antonia.
I only see Nay. If you could change it to the actual name, that'd be good. All I see is
how to do it?
Okay. Usually when you enter, they ask you to put your name, but let me do
No,
it
they
for you
didn't
now.
ask me.
Okay, what's your name? A-N-T?
I-O-N.
I-O-N?
I-A-Y-A Williams.
I-A-Y-A Williams. Okay. Okay, cool. It's changed. Tina, where's she? Tina, can you hear me? Yes, you have a question? Yes?
Oh, sorry. Yes, I
Yeah.
can hear you.
Okay, what number you want?
I've completed it, number 5.
You finished everything? Have you sent in your notes and everything?
Okay, I'll send it right now.
Once you finish with it, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp, please.
Okay, will do.
Good.
Thanks.
Okay, good. I have to go to everyone. Once you finish, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Once you finish, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I sent it.
Okay, good. Sharon A. Brown.
Yes, sir.
What number you on?
Pardon?
Sharon A. What number you on?
I already sent it.
Okay, good. And Sam, what number you on?
Number 4.
Okay, good. And Ranika, what number you on?
Number 5.
Very good. And Rajika, what number you on?
I'm done.
Okay, good. You sent in your work already?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Rodrigo Roll, what number you on?
I'm done.
Is there anyone else who's finished? Is there anyone else who's finished?
Number
Beside-
4. I sent it already, Mr. Petit.
You sent it already? Okay, good. If you finish, put your
Number
answer-
1.
If you're finished, put your answer inside the chat. If you finish, put your answer inside the chat. If you're done. Kylia, where's Kylia?
I'm here.
You need the notes, or you understand what to do?
I sent it.
We got new notes, right?
Yeah, we got new notes.
Okay, I just need the new notes.
Okay, I'm gonna switch it. So take a picture quickly of the notes, all right? So for those
Yeah,
who are not here, this is the first slide. Quickly take a screenshot for those who are not here, who just reached. Quickly take a screenshot of the first slide. You got it? This is the second one. Okay, and then this will be on now. Okay. Chai, what number you on?
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay, good. All right, so let's go ahead and answer this. Number 1, anyone want to try for number 1? Anyone want to try? Number 1.
I would like to.
Okay, who is that? Rodrigo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead and read the question and answer it.
May I ask number 2, Mr. Budi?
Yes, we can. Go ahead, Rodrigo.
What is a similar word to union? Be combined.
Be combined. How many persons put B for number 1? How many persons put B for number 1?
Me.
I
Very
did.
good. Very good. If you did, please put a tick. Again, if you did, please put a tick. Okay. Number 2. Which symbol is used for the union of 2 sets? Oh, so I'm sorry. What is his name? Supposed to be answering this.
What system is used for the
Rashalno?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. You're supposed to be doing number 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Which symbol is used for the union of 2 sets? Answer B.
B. Oh gosh, I'm sorry. B. B again? The union is definitely B. Very good. B is
Earlier
correct.
you gave out the answer.
B is correct. Anyone want to do number 3?
Me.
Rashid Roll, do number 3. Read it and answer it.
Which system is used for the intersection of 2 sets? C.
C, very good. C is correct. Very good. Rashid, your first day and you answering it. Very good. Anyone want to volunteer for number 4?
Me. Israel.
Israel? Okay, go ahead, Israel.
Um,
Omara, you want to do number 5?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, go ahead, Israel. For the
So,
union.
The union is
So A
open
union
curly
B is gonna be equal to
open curly bracket 13, 32, 44,
13,
32,
32,
44,
44,
67.
44.
Excuse me, Mr. Vicky. I will have to leave for a bit to sign on to my other computer.
No problem. 13, 32, 44,
67,
67,
90,
and 90.
and close curly bracket.
And close curly brackets. Very good. So we have 13, 32, 44, 67, and 90. Okay. How many persons got number 4 before we persons got number 4?
I got it.
We put 13, 32, 44. We remember no repeats. No repeat. Don't repeat 44. 67 and 90. Okay. All right, next. Next is
Can I do number 5?
Oh no, Amari already assigned Amari for number 5.
Number 5. Find the intersection of the 2 sets.
Very good.
Curly bracket 3, 6, close curly bracket.
So what we have an intersection, Amari?
3 and 6.
So only 3 and 6. So 3 is a part of A. 3 is also a part of B. So we have to include that. 3 is a part of 6. 3 is also a part of, 6 is a part of A, and 6 is also a part of B. So we include both of them. So 3, 6. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Good. Anyone else got number 5 correct?
I did.
I did.
Okay, now the moment of truth. The moment of truth. How many persons got 5 out of 5?
Israel.
5 out of 5.
Yeah.
5
I
out of
have.
5. 5 out of 5. All right, if you got
Yeah.
5 out of 5, put I in the chat. If you got 5 in the chat, put I in the chat. Okay. Anyone got 1 wrong? Anyone got 1 wrong? 1 wrong.
I did.
What you got wrong?
Me too.
Which
I
one?
get number 4 wrong.
Number 4 wrong. Okay, so just be careful. Right, just be careful with these. All right, so I think we're ready for a quiz now. You all know I have to give you all a quiz, right? So
Yes, sir.
so the quiz is gonna be based on what everything I just taught you. So we have okay, let's see. Okay, so the first 2 quizzes, one is on intersection, one is on union. Let's see how this goes. So once you started the quiz, what you gonna put inside the chat? Once you start the quiz, put started. Once you started the quiz, put started inside the chat again. Once you started the quiz, please put started inside the chat again. Once you started the quiz, please put started in the chat, okay? Again, once you start the quiz, please put started in the chat. Once you started the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Everyone should be doing the quiz right now. Everyone should be doing the quiz. All right? Everyone should be doing the quiz. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. And let me see these quiz grades as I do always do. Let's see how y'all doing for these. Let's see. Making sure that they're done properly. Google Forms. Remember, passing grade is 80%. If you get anything lower than 80%, you must redo the quiz. So make sure that you do the quiz properly. Once you finish with the quiz, some people are not doing this. Some people are not doing this. Once you finish with the quiz, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, once you finish with the quiz, take a screenshot of the grades and send it to me via WhatsApp. Make sure I do that, please. All right, so don't just do the quiz. Once you finish with the quiz, take a screenshot of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Very good. Israel, 10 out of 10.
Excuse
Rochelle,
me.
no? 10 out of 10, yes.
I looking at the quiz, but I trying to see how to get in it.
How you get in it? Did you click on the link? Let me
Yes,
send it
sir.
again. Let me send it again. What is it saying on your screen? What is it saying?
Okay, I click on it now.
It worked?
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Israel, 10 out of 10. Rashad, 10 out of 10. Malik Rule, 10 out of 10. Rodrigo, 10 out of 10. Very good. Sharoning, 10 out of 10. Danaj Moss, 10 out of 10. Very good to you all. Very good. The rest of us, we need to make sure that we do it. Once you finish with the quiz, take a screenshot of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. So far, everyone has gotten 10 out of 10. I hope we keep this streak. I hope we keep this streak. Please, please, no one. Do not break this. Do not break the streak. So far, everyone has gotten a 10 out of 10. I hope no one breaks the streak. All right. Cleveland, how long? Go ahead, Rochelle, no?
For the intersections of set quiz, it says, what is the intersection of A equals ABC and B equals BCD, right?
Mm-hmm.
The answer I did put, it says it's wrong.
Yeah, it says that for me too, and the answer is correct.
Okay, let's see. So if that's the case, let me check that quiz. Let me see if y'all have that issue. Maybe I need to make a correction on that. Let's see. The intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. All right. You said that you got it wrong. Which number?
Number 4.
Number 4. Okay. Number 4. What is the intersection of A, B, C, B, C, D? It's actually B and C is the intersection. Yeah, that's correct, right? All right. Refresh the page. You should be able to get it right now. If you haven't,
I
that's
got
good.
it.
It's good now.
It's good now. Good. All right. Let's see the response on that. How many persons finished the first two quiz? Let me know if you finished the first two quiz. Have you finished the first two? Yeah.
I finished the first two.
I finished all.
Anyone finish the first one? If you finish the first one, let me know the first one.
No.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
finished both.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Once you finish with the first quiz, go on to the
I
second
finished
one.
the one. I finished the first one.
Okay, so working on that. That's good. And let me resend the first one. I'm gonna resend the first two.
I didn't finish all.
You finish all? Who said they finish all?
Me.
Me? Who's me?
I'm done all day.
Who's me?
Leandre.
Leandre? Okay, that's Leandre, were you here yesterday?
No, sir.
That's why you asked about the element. We did element yesterday.
Oh,
All right, so for those of you, O'Neill Cash, please redo quiz 2. O'Neill Cash, please redo quiz 2.
Did I
All
do
right.
quiz 1?
Who's that speaking?
Renee.
Renee? Let me check. Renee. Renee. Okay, so for quiz 1,
I can't believe I got all right on every single quiz.
that's good. I don't see you for quiz 1, Renee. No, you didn't do quiz 1.
I did. It said that I did do it.
Quiz 1, Renee, you put your name?
Yeah, so
Renee. You sure you did quiz 1 or you did quiz 2?
yeah, so the quiz 1.
What was quiz 1 on?
Intersection.
No, that's quiz 2. Yeah, you didn't do quiz 1. Quiz 1 is the first one on union. Let me put it back inside the chat. Okay. All right. So for those of you who finished with the first two, let me put the second two inside the chat. Again, for those of you who finished with the first two, I'm going to put the second two inside of the chat. This is, again, for those of you who finished with the first two, I'm going to put the second two inside of the chat. Okay. Once you started them, just put started inside the chat. This is the second two. Okay. The second two. Like I said, once you finish, whenever you finish your quiz, please take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need that, please. Take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. It's going to be very useful. All right, let me see. Good. This is very, now the last two is interesting. I hope you all don't get bamboozled on that. All right. I hope you all stay the course. So what are you doing now? You either doing one of the 4 quizzes. There are 4 quizzes that I sent. You have to be doing one of the 4. One out of the 4.
Are there more quizzes?
Yeah, I put 2 more quizzes inside the chat. So
Oh,
you're supposed
because
to
I'm
be,
just coming back after taking a picture of the first two.
yeah, you're supposed to either be doing quiz 1, 2, 3, or 4. All right, but you definitely not doing anything. You have to be doing. There's 4 quizzes inside the chat. Make sure you are doing the 4 quizzes. Let me repost the last 2. Okay, make sure you do the 4 quizzes. Okay. All right. You see? Let's see. Okay.
Quiz 1 on my end. I don't know if that's my phone or the internet. Like, it's glitching on my end. So I want to do it over.
Okay, let me resend it. I'm gonna resend quiz 1 and 2.
No, I already do quiz 2.
Okay. So you need quiz 1 again.
Yeah, and I don't see the next 2 what you sent.
Okay, let me do that again. I'm gonna send all. All right. Where's Jasmine? Jasmine Moss, are you there?
I gotta do all that.
Say it again.
I gotta do all that.
You did all of them?
You see mine, Mr. Petit, I did all as well.
I can see right now.
I did all too.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so I posted all of them inside the chat. Make sure that you're doing them.
How do you represent the union of sets?
Okay, let's see.
I think union of sets 1 and 2.
Okay, let's see.
Yes.
All right.
Oh my
God. I see Rashalno and Israel have done the last 2. No one else has done the last. No one else has done the last one. So, and Sharonik, they have done all. Only 3 persons have done all. Rashalno, Israel, and Sharonik. Only them 3. So if you're not a part of them 3, that means you still have work to do.
I finished all.
Okay. Sharonik.
Mr. Petit,
Yes, go ahead.
could I redo quiz union on intersecting?
Yes, you could redo it. That's fine. You could redo it.
thing of union, I already do.
Leandre?
I already do. I already do. The one I press, I already do.
Okay, no problem. Where is Rashal, you saw what I sent you?
On WhatsApp?
Yeah.
I have to go get my phone.
Chai, where's Chai?
Yes, sir.
Did you see what I sent you?
Yes, sir.
Please do them. Sharonik, did you see what I sent you?
Yes, sir.
Are you working on that now?
Yes, sir.
Good. And Jasmine, did you see what I sent you? Jasmine.
Yes, I see what you sent me, Mr. Petit.
Good. Where's Jasmine?
Sorry, I'm right here.
Did you see what I sent you?
Yes, sir.
Please do them. All right. So far, the only person to have finished all 4 of the quizzes is Rashalno, Israel, Sharonik, Jed, Davanique, Rodrigo, Danaj, Ashante, Leandro, Chilipsa, Bridget, Jasmine, please redo the last quiz. Samantha, very good. Malik, Ronika, Rodrigo, and O'Neill. Those are the persons who finished with all 4.
I finished all 4.
I'm done too. I'm done
Albert?
too. Yes, sir.
Albert? Albert, I don't see your grade.
I finished too.
Make sure you
Which one?
make sure you do all four, because even though it's in, make sure you do intersection and union of sets quiz 2. You haven't done that. Intersection and union of sets quiz 2. You have to do that. Same thing with Leandre. You have to do intersection of union quiz 2. Quiz 2. You haven't done that.
I did all four.
Who's that speaking?
Omaro.
Omara?
Yes, sir.
Let me see. Yes, you have done all four. That's correct. Okay. Okay, so we can't spend all day on this. We have to move on. So, because
40 out of 40. 40 out of 40.
That's good. That's good. That's good. All right, so let's move on from this. All right, so we gotta do our last thing. Okay, I'm gonna give you 1 more minute. 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds to wrap up the quizzes, and then we're gonna move on, okay? 30 more seconds to wrap up the quizzes. 20 more seconds to wrap up the quizzes. 20 more seconds to wrap up the quizzes, and then we can move on from that, okay? Because we have to get going. Hi, Leah, have you finished any of the quizzes? Hi, Leah.
I'm still writing the notes.
Okay. What you could do is you could screenshot it and then do the quizzes. Like, I need to get some grades for you, okay?
Yeah,
So do that. All right, so let's move on from this, and let's move forward. So, all right, so what I want us to do in this final 20 minutes is I want us to look at this idea of basically visualizing the set. So pause the quizzes for now. Turn your attention to the screen. Again, I repeat, pause the quizzes for now. Turn your attention to the screen, and we gotta do this, all right, before we go. So visual representation of sets. Visual representation of sets. Visual representation of sets, okay? Visual representation of sets. So, okay, good. So we could visually represent sets. How can we visually represent sets? What could we do to visually represent sets? What we have to do?
Draw a circle.
Say it again.
Maybe draw a circle.
Yeah, draw circles. Have anyone ever done that before? Like,
I have.
Yeah.
okay. All right, so we can express sets visually, okay, by using Venn diagrams. A set can be represented by a circle and overlapping areas can be expressed in set notation. All right. Using the Venn diagram, we can find the union and intersection of sets. Now we're gonna get into this more tomorrow, but I just want to introduce it. Okay. Using the Venn diagram, we can find the union and intersection of sets. So we are going to visually start to represent our sets, all right? Using a Venn diagram. all right? And this would you be seeing, especially in your exams, a lot, all right? Albert, can you read the following paragraph that I have?
We can express sets visually by using Venn diagram. A set can be represented by a circle, and overlapping areas can be expressed in set notation. Using the Venn diagram, we can find the union to set.
Very good. Very good. All right, so let's go ahead and does anyone have a ruler? You have a ruler?
Me.
Now this is like back to school. So you all should have been done back to school shopping. I sure
No.
everyone should have a ruler.
I don't have.
Oh gosh.
No, I don't have a ruler.
I
All right,
have one that's still
if you
as
don't have a
long as
ruler,
my
if you don't have a ruler, use a straight edge, some form of straight edge, because you're gonna need to draw this box. Okay. So we have this box here, or this rectangle, if you must. Okay. And shape fill, open that up.
Oh, I remember this one. So you're gonna put 2 circles in it.
Yes, we're gonna put 2 circles in it. Very good. Okay, so
Then you're gonna put something called axolot in it.
yes, sir. Put epsilon. Very good. So inside the circle, we're gonna draw. So I say inside the circle. Inside the rectangle, we're gonna draw our 2 circles, and the 2 circles must be overlapping. So if you have a compass, you could draw it. Okay. Now it must look neat like mines. How many persons want to look neat like mines? How many persons look neat like mines? Your drawing so far. Does it look as good as mine so far? Let me know. But it has to look as good as mine.
We'll see just right now.
Or better. Okay, so make sure you use a ruler and a pencil to get this going. Ranika, have you drawn your Venn diagram? Yes, Ranika.
I gotta go get a ruler.
Good. And Rodrigo, have you drawn your Venn diagram? That's Rodrigo.
Yes, sir.
How about you, Samaya? Have you drawn your Venn diagram? Rodrigo, have you drawn your Venn diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So how does your Venn diagram look? Y'all are shy to tell me? Like, how do your Venn diagram?
Better than yours.
Better than mine? Ha. 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 You joking, right? Are you being serious? Mine's is immaculate. So this is gonna be A. We're gonna put A on this side, okay? And then we're gonna put on the next side, we're gonna put B. Okay, so A then B. A then B. And then, so let me just make sure they all see that. So A then B, make sure I label it. So this is what, set A, okay? Set A, and this is set B. And by the way, the intersection is what? Where's the intersection? The intersection as well, in the middle. Do y'all understand that? Class, let me know if y'all understand that.
Yes, sir.
I understand.
Okay, good. I'm not only talking to Rochelle, no, the rest of us. Do we understand that the intersection is
Yes,
here?
Did I understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. O'Neill Cash, do you understand that? Where's O'Neill? O'Neill, can you hear me? O'Neill Cash. Where's O'Neill Cash? O'Neill Cash, can you hear me? Where's O'Neill Cash? Can't hear from O'Neill. Need to hear from O'Neill. Okay, so now let's put our, what shall we call it? We can put our elements inside the set. So let's say we have let's say that this is oh, one more thing. This is very important. Before we even start with the elements, we need to put our universal set symbol here, and we're gonna learn more about this symbol. This symbol right here, let me emphasize it for you. There's like a curly E, right? Y'all ever saw this before? I don't know if y'all ever saw this before. But, yeah, it's like a curly E. We call this epsilon, and this is what we use to represent the universal set. Now, this universal set symbol means the box. So the box is what this E is representing, the box. So everything inside the box is inside the universal set. Okay, so just better than mine. So we call this the universal set. So better than mine, okay? The universal set. So let's write that down. This is the universal set. So almost our time to go, so let me hurry up. So what else we have? We have, just gonna call this 1. So this is 1. Okay, so this is 1. Okay. This is 2. This is what? This is 3. Right, so 1, 2, 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is what? This is 6. Okay. And then we have 7. Then we have 8. Then we have 9. Then we have 9. These are the 9. We have 9. 9, 9, 9. Where's 9? Yeah, it's 9. Good. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And obviously universal set is right there. Okay. So that's what we have. All right. And so our goal is to first, what we're gonna do is I want us to list the elements of A. So that's our first thing that we're gonna do. So all of the elements in A, we're gonna list them. So that's gonna be our first objective, to list the elements in A. So that's gonna be A is equal to, I probably can't see that. Let me enlarge this some more. So our first objective is going to be to list the elements in A. So it's gonna be boom, like that. Okay. So let's go. So we have Samaya. Is Samaya? Samaya, can you hear
So
me?
the elements of A would be like 1, 2, 3 then.
Very good. Where's Samaya?
Won't you need 4, 5, 6 too?
We're not done. Yeah, that's true. You also need 4, 5, and 6. But I want Samaya to answer that. Where's Samaya? Can I from Samaya? Sam, is Sam there? Sam. Is Sam there? Good. Can you tell me what are going to be the elements of A?
1, 2, and 3.
So when we talk about elements in A, we're talking about all of the elements in A. So that means that we're gonna have what? 1, 2, and 3. But is that all of the elements that are inside A?
No, sir.
No. Are there more?
No.
Yes,
There
sir.
are more.
What are the others? What are the
4,
others?
5, and
4,
6.
5, 6.
4, 5, and 6. So if you look here carefully, look at this. Go ahead.
For the second one that you send me, it doesn't have a picture for E.
It doesn't have a picture for E?
No, sir. It just says caption list picture, caption list image.
I think that might be your internet. Because it might be it. Because it's showing for mine.
Could you tell me what it says?
I can send a screenshot for you right now.
All right, thank you.
Okay, so
that is the number one thing.
So please understand that all of this is A. Y'all understand what I'm saying, right? All of this is A. So A is all of that. Okay, A is all of that. So what does that mean? That means that what else I got to include inside of A?
4, 5, and 6.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, and 6. Does that make sense to y'all? Let me know,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So that means that 4, 5, and 6 must be included. So if with that in mind, I want you all to tell me what are the elements in A. It's gonna be what?
1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5,
4,
5,
5.
6.
Very good. 4, 5, and 6. Does that make sense to y'all? So
Yeah.
all of
Yes.
that is A.
Yeah.
All of that is A. So all of that is A. Okay, so that's A. So congratulations, we have completed A. So I know y'all know what the next question is gonna be, right? We want what? Now we got all of the elements in A. Now I want all of the elements in B. Okay. How do we only have 5 more minutes left? Is that saying? Okay, so
So it would be 7, 8,
It'd be
9, 4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6.
yes.
So it would be 4, 5, 6.
Wait, let me move this first so we get a clearer image. We want all of
So
B.
does it matter how we put it in, how we answer it?
No, because once it's inside of it,
4,
doesn't
5,
matter
6, 7, 8, 9.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so all of B is going to be what? All of this, right? All of B, all of B, all of B, all of B. So all of B is going to be what?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7,
4,
8, 9.
5, 6, right?
Okay, so the middle is just a
7.
union.
The middle is the
8.
intersection, not the
The
union.
middle is the intersection.
Yeah. 8 and what? And 9.
9.
Does that make sense? So
Yes.
4,
Yes.
5, 6,
Yes,
7,
sir.
8, 9. So what does that mean? That means that for this one, we're gonna have what? 4, 5, 6, right? 7, 8, and what? 9.
9.
9.
9. So let me color code this. Is gonna be, say, let's call this green. So this is set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 54, and set B is going to be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. All right, good. Okay, so good. So that means that that's A and B. So all of them must have 4, 5, and 6 because that's the intersection, right? It has intersection, the overlapping area. All right. Okay, are you writing this down? Have you written this down yet? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir.
If you've
Yes,
already
sir.
written it down, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, if you've written it down, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Again, if you've written it down, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. If you understand this topic, if you feel like you understand this topic, put an I inside the chat. If you have any questions, put N so I could answer it. But if you feel like you understand this topic, put I inside the chat. If you have a question, put N so I could be able to answer your question. Leandre,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
are you writing this down, the notes?
What?
Are you writing down the notes, this notes down that I have?
Yes, sir.
So have you sent in the notes as yet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you know where to send it? You
Yes,
don't?
sir.
You have the
Yeah.
number? You have the WhatsApp number? 426 8891. That's where I need you to send the work.
Yeah, I already sent it.
You sent the slide?
No, I sent the notes.
Have you sent this slide? This one.
Yes, sir. The last one.
The same one that we on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Did you put your name? Put your name so I can know that's you.
I put it.
All right. All right. So let me see. Again, put I inside the chat if you understand. Put N if you do not understand. Marion Tucker. Where's Marion Tucker? Marion Tucker.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't appear as your name. So if you could adjust that the next time you come on, that'd be good because it just says Zoom. So, but I can fix it now for you. I can fix it manually, Marion Tucker. But when you do it, just try see if you could enter with your name. Okay.
It doesn't provide me with the option. It just takes me straight to the class.
That's because I think you had tried to enter as a guest. So if you sign in, then yeah, I think it'll put your name. All right. Okay. I think this is clear. If you didn't finish, we are going to move on to health science and general science right now. Again, we're going to move on to health science and general science. We'll do health first, then we're going to do general science. Chai, Jasmine, and Sharonik, please stay so y'all can finish the quizzes that y'all are working on. But we need to do health in general, okay? So let's move on to that. Jasmine, you have a question?
Yes, sir. Well, not a question, but I wanted to let you know that I've already done it and sent it to you.
You sent it to me? Okay. If you already done that, then you could go. But for those of us who are doing health science and general science, we have to stay back. All right, health and general science. Doing health first, then general. Okay. All right. Rochelle, no, have you finished the quiz that I sent you?
Okay, I sent you everything already.
Okay, that's good. If you're doing health science and general science, stay in back for that. All right. But the rest of us, you could leave.
Okay, and you could send me the notes from yesterday, please.
Oh, this is very important before y'all go. For those of you who are leaving for health in general, who are not doing health in general, all of the class notes and everything can be found on my YouTube channel called the Open Handed Classroom. So just go on YouTube, the YouTube channel, and go on the Open Handed Classroom. You will find the recordings for yesterday class. Wait, no, that's not true. I haven't posted yesterday class yet. I'm gonna post yesterday class and today's class. So, and all of the classes will be uploaded on my YouTube channel, the Open Handed Classroom. So if you miss a day, just go on the Open Handed Classroom YouTube channel, and then you can find it. Okay. So.
Hey, congratulations on 1,000 subscribers.
Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, we need more people to subscribe. So subscribe to the channel so you can get more of the updates and stuff. Okay, so let's move on from this. All right, so we're gonna move on to health science. So my name is Mr. Petit. Today is what, Monday? Tuesday, the what, 2nd of September, 2025. Subject is, of course, health science. How many persons love health science? Let's say your favorite of the sciences. Or you prefer general? Health or general?
I prefer general.
Prefer general? Wow.
I way prefer
Health
general.
science.
It's just easier.
Yeah, how is general easier? I don't understand that.
No, general is way easier.
Health science is easier, hands down.
Health is about your body. You don't know about your body?
Health is
My body, but it's
well,
Health
both
is
are easy in my opinion.
health. We doing health science and then general science. Okay. So yeah, health is about your body, your eyes, your nose, your ears, your hands, your skin, your foot. Like that's supposed to be easy to me.
No, I think I just like all subjects though, especially religious knowledge.
Okay, so religious knowledge is your favorite. But I'm talking about the health in general. Health's supposed to be the easiest, in my opinion. I don't understand how general is easier than health. But each his own. Each his own. Everybody have their preference. But today we're going to be looking at introduction to health science. This is the first topic, introduction to health science. We're going to talk about what it is. And you may anyone wanna have a career in health science? You wanna, anyone wanna have a career in health science?
No, sir. No.
No. So no one here wanna be a doctor?
I good.
Anyone here wanna be a doctor?
I good.
Anyone here wanna be a surgeon?
I'm good.
I want to be close to that.
What you wanna do? You wanna be what?
Anesthesiologist.
Okay, anesthesiologist. Yeah, that's health science. Very good. But in order to be an anesthesiologist, you have to be a doctor first. right? Unless you be an anesthesia nurse, right?
You know, I think the reason why they don't want to be doctors is because they don't want to fool with people nasty teeth and have to deal with blood and surgery.
You don't want to deal with blood. Okay. Well, they pay good money, so if you know, if that
Money?
helps, if that helps, if that helps, I mean, but only one person there want to be a doctor. No one else want to be like a nurse. No nurses there.
Maybe a nurse or a
Maybe a
doctor.
nurse or
I
a
wanted
doctor.
to be a biochemist, but then I ended up
Yeesh.
in physics and
Physics?
yeah.
So you ain't doing no chem or bio?
I'm not doing chem. Oh, bio. Physics.
Just physics.
Just physics.
What? What school you attend?
Phenom.
That's crazy. You just doing physics? That don't make sense to me. Anyway, maybe that's what they started you off with, because sometimes they do that. Okay, Jasmine, you finished with your quizzes?
Yes,
Okay, you could go if you finish. Yeah. Okay, so so let's talk. Yes, try.
I'm finished with my quizzes.
Yeah, you could go. So we're looking at health science. So health science is the study of the human body. Okay, its form and function. All right, so if you're talking about the human body, that's health science. So what is health science? A study of? What is health science the study of?
The human body.
Human body.
Its form and function. Now, when we say form and function, we are talking about two things, right? We're talking about anatomy, which is the study of how the body looks. And we're talking about physiology, which is the study of how the body works. Those are two very important, complementary, but different things, all right? So how the body looks, anatomy, how the body works, physiology. And all that is a part of health science, okay? Okay, so health science is how the body looks and how the body works, its form and its function. Health science also informs us on how, right away you're writing this down, how to take care of our bodies and the illnesses that may affect the body. What are some illnesses that you know that may affect the body?
Melanoma.
Tuberculosis, very good. What else?
The sickness.
Cancer. What
Bronchitis.
else? Bronchitis.
Scoliosis.
Scoliosis, arthritis, very good.
Diabetes,
right?
Hypertension.
Hypertension.
High blood pressure.
High blood pressure. Right.
Low sugar.
Low sugar, that's
Anemia.
anemia, yes, that's another one. So what is health? When I say health, what is health?
And the health is the state of physical, mental.
Oh, by the way, we're doing health science now, and then we're doing general science afterwards. So some persons might have a question on that, but we're doing health now, then general afterwards. Okay, what is health? Health is what?
So
Health is
isn't
the
health
state.
like the state of complete mental, physical, emotional, and social well-being?
Very good. So health is a state of complete, right? Complete. Health is a state of complete physical, mental. By the way, they will ask you this in your exam. They always do. What is health? At least I shouldn't say they always do. That is a possible question. And I've seen it before. So make sure you know this
Possible, but
definition.
not impossible.
Exactly. I've seen this question before, so make sure you know the definition of health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease. This is very important because in order for you to be described, how many persons think that they're healthy? Anyone in the class think that they're healthy? Only Israel thinks that she's healthy. The rest of y'all sick or diseased or what?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So are you
I'm
healthy?
healthy.
You're healthy? I mean,
Yes.
all of y'all here are young, so y'all should be healthy.
I'm healthy.
How many persons here exercise?
I play soccer.
Play soccer. Okay,
I
good.
don't know about that now because my treadmill broken. So
You could jog and do jumping jacks. So now health is very important. Health doesn't just mean that you don't have any. Health doesn't just mean that you okay physically. In order for you to be healthy, your mind have to be right because your person too, they have no physical infirmity, but yet their mind is out of place, so they're not considered to be healthy. So when you're healthy, everything have to be intact. Okay. So that's what it means to be healthy. So a person described as healthy is well physically, mentally, and emotionally. Okay. So I mean that you're healthy. You have to be balanced. Okay. A person who is in a mental institution. What is the mental institution in the Bahamas?
Sunderland.
Very good. Yeah, so a person who's in Sandlands, people who are in Sandlands, they are physically, they ain't have no, their arm ain't broke, they, their legs are not impaired, they don't have no physical infirmities, but what's the problem? They are what? Their mind.
mental health.
Their mental health is the problem. So, are they healthy then?
No.
No, they're not considered to be healthy. In order for you to be healthy, you have to be sound. You have to have a sound mind. You have to have no physical infirmity. There has to be no disease. Everything has to be going good. So a person who's in a mental institution, may be physically well. So they may be physically well. They could do jumping jacks. They could do all that stuff. But they have a mental or emotional what problem. Okay. Therefore, he or she cannot be described as healthy. Okay. So if you are healthy, what are some things that you do? What are certain things that healthy people do?
Eat your fruits every day.
Eat your
Have
fruits.
a balanced diet.
Have a balanced diet. Okay. So a person is concerned about maintaining health, maintaining their health. What do? Often what?
Exercise.
Monitor their eating habits, right? How many persons monitor their eating habits? Or you just eat anything that you like? Just go and you eat it.
A healthy diet.
You just eat anything that you want and you just eat and eat and eat and eat and eat. You eat the macaroni, you eat the peas and rice,
now
sweet
probably in
potato,
heaven you'll be allowed to.
you eat the corn, you eat the, what else? The coleslaw, you eat everything on the table. And you go back for seconds. Is that healthy? And then you don't have no salad. And then you don't exercise. Is that healthy?
So that means it wouldn't be a balanced diet.
Exactly. It's not balanced, right? So they monitor their eating habits. They do what? They exercise, right? And they what? Visit the who?
Doctor.
Very good. They visit the
Very
doctor.
good.
So should you only visit the doctor when you're sick?
You should go for a checkup.
How often should you?
You
How
should
often should you go
go.
for a checkup?
You should go for a physical.
How often?
Every 6 months.
Every 6 months. So you should go at least once a year, okay, to ensure that their bodies are working as they should. Okay, that's very important. Sorry about that. Okay. Now there are many jobs related to healthcare. There are many jobs. There are many jobs related to health science. And I think I need more people to be interested in working in health science. It's a very good field. Okay. So health science is a very good field, especially if you have a heart for people and you want to see people do well and better, then you work in health science. Okay. So doctors are obviously persons who work in health science. I think we only have one person say they want to be a doctor now. Okay, we need more doctors. And so doctors, what do doctors do? Persons trained in what? Diagnosis and treatment. Diagnosis and treatment of disease and other medical conditions. All right. Then we have after doctors. So these are the people who are gonna let you know if you have a problem, that's diagnosis, and they're gonna help to treat the problem. Okay. Next, we have nurses. What is the job of the nurse? What do nurses do?
Assist the doctor.
Very good. They assist the doctor in, dealing with the patients. So persons who, now nurses are not able to write a prescription, right? Unless you are a nurse practitioner and you are in a certain area, and then they give you some permission to do it. But regular nurses, they are unable to give you a prescription. Only doctors are able to write a prescription. But they do basically everything else. They look after the patients, they monitor the patient's health, right? They're the ones who are gonna be taking your weight, your height, and all them stuff, right? So they basically prepare you to see the doctor, okay? And they basically administer whatever the doctor prescribed for you. They work hand in hand to help the doctor. So persons who help doctors take care of patients and provide medical support to people who are not feeling well. Okay. So now, not only doctors and nurses are related to health science, right? Not only does doctors and nurses are related to health science, but you also have dietitians. Does anyone know what do dietitians?
They help control your diet, or they help to pick foods with the right nutrients in the right proportions for you to eat.
Yes. Dietitians. Rochelle, are you there? Where's Rochelle? No.
Right there, Mr. Petit.
Are you paying attention?
Yes, sir. I currently
Okay,
currently writing dietitians.
Good. Ashante, are you writing? By the way, the rest of us, are we writing this down? Let me know if you're writing this down, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone should be writing this down.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. Make sure you're writing this down. Okay. Um. Okay. So, dietitians, right? Dietitians. These are people who are going to advise you on what to eat and what not to eat, depending on your health condition. So, if you have diabetes, they're gonna say, "Hey, you know, be careful. You can't have too much sugar." Right? If you have high blood pressure, they're gonna say, "Hey, be careful. You can't have too much what? If you have the high blood pressure, you can't have too much
Salt.
what? Can't have too much salt,
Sugar?
right? Salt is the problem for high blood. So persons who advises others on healthy eating choices to ensure a healthier what? Body. And then you have this might be weird. You might not think that's a part of health science, but then you have the environmental science. The environmental. Anyone here want to be an environmental scientist? No? Okay. The environmental scientists. These are the people who do what? What do they do?
Maybe changes in the environment. Study
Okay.
the changes in the environment.
They study the changes in the environment, yes. Why do you think environmental scientists is needed for health science?
I guess because like they have to know what we breathe in.
Very good.
We don't
Because
breathe a lot
yes,
of chemicals that shouldn't be
yes,
breathed in and shouldn't be in
yes,
our bodies.
yes, very good. So they're gonna make sure that the air is clean, the surroundings is clean, everything is clean so that those things do not affect our bodies. That's why the environmental scientist is important for the health science, because part of health science is not just, you know, the body, but it's also about being clean and hygiene. Okay. So hygiene is very important. So the environmental scientist is gonna look in the environment, make sure no pollution, make sure none of them stuff happening, or try to limit it as much as possible. Okay. So persons who advises, I'm sorry, persons who study the environment and work to protect natural resources, ensuring that our surroundings remain healthy and sustainable. Okay, that's what we mean by the environmental scientists. All right, and that's all the notes for health science. So what I want you to do is take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp. Should we do a quiz on this, or y'all think y'all pretty good on this? Let me know.
I'm good.
Good?
Pretty good, actually.
You don't need no quiz on this?
I do not.
You do not?
Keep the quiz.
Keep the quiz. All right. So inside the chat, I'm going to put the quiz for this. Okay. So once you started the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Everyone should be doing the quiz right now. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. The quiz is going to be based on what we just talked about. Okay. So it should be a very easy quiz. By the way, once you finish with the quiz, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, again, once you finish with the quiz, take a screenshot of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, so let's see how y'all do on this quiz. This is all right. The quiz is called an Introduction to Environmental Science. There's only 10 questions. Should be a very easy quiz. This is the test if you understand what we're talking about, or you just here just not doing that. Okay, so make sure you do the quiz. So two things you're gonna do. You're gonna take a screenshot of your grade of your notes and send it to me. And you're also gonna take a screenshot of your quiz and send it to me. I need everyone to do well on that quiz. Try to get at least 80%. Okay? So take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. Try to get at least 80%. Very good, Israel. Israel. Yeah, Israel is the first one. Take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me, Israel. The rest of us, please, do your quiz and write your notes. Where is Gina? Gina? Where's Gina? Gina, can you hear me? Gina, are you there? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing? You doing the quiz or are you still on the notes?
I'm doing the quiz.
Okay. And Danaj Moss, are you on the quiz or are you on the notes?
I'm on both.
You on both, okay. And D'Angelo Smith, where's D'Angelo Smith? D'Angelo Smith? D'Angelo Smith. Where's D'Angelo?
Excuse me, sir. I'm also on the notes.
Who's that speaking? Cristiano?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right. Take a screenshot of your quiz grades and then send it to me via WhatsApp, and also take a picture of your notes. Your notes and your quiz. That's what I need to see. Take a picture of your notes and your quiz. Okay. Okay, and Carlton Scrawn. Where's Carlton Scrawn? Carlton Scrawn, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yeah, Mr. T.
Are you doing the quiz or are you doing the notes?
I was doing the old quiz, the old quiz.
Which one, the math one? Say you didn't finish that?
I don't finish the old quiz.
Okay.
Before I go, I just wanted to the picture all this so I could write it, and I wanted to ask you a question. Can I please get the recorded version of this meeting in Thursday? The Thursday version, of course.
Okay. Like I said, for those of you, you have to be listening, Carlton, because I said that, class, where did I say you can go and get the recordings?
YouTube.
Okay. The YouTube channel is the Open Handed Classroom. So all of the recordings, where's Carlton? All of the recordings, including Thursday's one, will be posted on that. So you just go on that channel. The Open Handed Classroom, I posted inside the chat. The Open Handed Classroom, that's where you can find the YouTube, the notes. Okay.
Thank you.
Good. Where is? Okay, so let me tell you who all finished the quiz. I see Israel, Rachel, No, Kylia, Danaj, Maron, Cleveland, Samaya, and Ashanti. The rest of us, I don't see y'all quiz. Ronika, are you on the quiz or the notes? Because I don't see a quiz. Ronika.
I doing the quiz.
Okay. And Davnik,
I
are you
put
doing
my
a
quiz over it again, so it's 20 out of 20 now.
good? Davnik,
Yes,
where's
sir.
that? Are you doing the quiz or the notes?
Yes, sir. I'm doing the quiz.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Ms. Petit. Have a good night.
Good night, good night.
That was President 1790.
And Okay. Ajani, where's Ajani? Ajani? Where's Ajani?
Mr. Perry, you could send a quiz again, my please. I lost it.
Okay, let me see. The quiz disappear. Okay.
Was this the end of the health science notes?
This is the end of the health science notes. We're gonna move on to general science right now at 8:30. Okay. All right. So let's move on from this. So for those of us, okay, let me see the rest of us. Okay. Ranika.
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
Yes, go ahead. Albert,
I'm about to send the test.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, so all right, so let's move on to general science. Like it's 8:31, so we have to move on to general science, and then we can, yeah. So
I sent it.
You sent it, good. Please take a picture of your notes as well as the quiz reads. Please do that for me.
sent both.
Okay.
Send both, that's good. That's good. Again, please take a picture of your notes as well as the quiz grids. Please do that.
Good night, Miss Petit.
Good night, good night. Okay, so let's move on to general science. Those of us who are doing general science, let's move on to that. And then we get be out of here. Okay, so all right. So let me head up for us and then we can start this thing. All right, so let's begin. Let's move this here and put it right here. Okay, so my name is Mr. Petit. Again, we're doing general science. So my name is Mr. Petit. Today is Monday, Tuesday the 2nd. Tuesday the 2nd of September, 2025. The subject is, of course, not mathematics, general science. And today we're going to be looking at, the topic is warm-blooded versus cold-blooded.
Wolves and snakes.
Warm-blooded versus cold-blooded. Yeah.
I predict that's happening and I predict that's coming up.
I don't think that's a prediction, but anyway, thank you. All right, so that's what we're looking at. So warm-blooded versus cold-blooded. So if you look at the screen, just like how what's his name? Cleveland so adequately said, we're going to be looking at these two images, and I want you to tell me which one is warm-blooded and which one is cold-blooded.
The wolves are warm-blooded and the snake is cold-blooded.
Okay. Do we agree with them?
Yes.
Cristiano, Cordell,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ilea,
Yes, sir.
Marion, do we agree with them?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my question is, what does it mean? Okay, so we're saying that the wolves are warm-blooded, okay, and the snake is, according to y'all, cold-blooded. So my question is, honestly, what does it mean to be warm-blooded and what does it mean to be cold-blooded? What does it mean to be warm-blooded? What does it mean to be cold-blooded? What
I
does
think
that
for
mean?
warm-blooded, you control your own temperature despite the environment, and I think for cold-blooded, your temperature varies with the environment.
Okay. So warm-blooded means that you have warm blood, right?
Yes.
That's it.
Oh.
What's that mean?
Right.
Yes, sir.
And cold-blooded means that you have cold blood.
Yes, sir.
Really?
I mean,
Interesting. Do we agree with that?
not really.
Not really?
Not really.
What does it warm-blooded and cold-blooded means? Like, what does that mean? I know they keep on saying warm-blooded, cold-blooded. What does it
Like
mean to
in
be
like
warm-blooded?
for warm-blooded in cold temperatures, you can
Say it
still be
again?
warm.
Say it again?
Like for warm-blooded animals, you
Mhm.
could like when it's cold, you could like
Take
when
it
it's
out.
cold, you can still stay warm.
Mm-hmm.
But cold-blooded animals, it
It's what?
varies with the kind of temperature.
It varies with the temperature?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and define everything, right? Okay, so let's erase everything. So remove this. So with this, right, we have, let's write this down. So the animal kingdom, so we have the animal kingdom, right? And I know we have to talk about the 5 kingdoms. Anyone know what the 5 kingdoms are?
I think I know.
What are the 5 kingdoms?
We have Protus Kingdom,
Uh-huh.
Virus Kingdom.
No, not virus.
Mushroom kingdom, mushroom
No,
kingdom,
no.
fungus kingdom.
There are 5 kingdoms. The first one, the way I like to remember it, that's how I like to remember it. I mean, it's up to you. But I like to remember it like this. King Philip came over. No, that's wrong. That is so wrong. The first one is Monera. Okay. Monera, or we call it
Bacteria or Protus.
no, prokaryote. Okay. That's the first one. The second one is gonna be Protus or Protesta. The third one is gonna be fungi. The fourth one is gonna be plantae. And the fifth one is gonna be
Animal.
Animal. Okay. Okay. So these are the 5 main kingdoms. So Protesta, what do we know about Protesta? I don't know if y'all ever not Protesta. What do we know about Monera?
Is that like bacteria?
Yes. So Monera is gonna be like your bacteria.
Like cell.
Okay. Yeah, it's what we know about, they are single celled, right? So they're single cell. They have no nucleus. So they shape something like this. So they usually have like this, like their back. So then they have like wiggly stuff inside of there. And then they have a tail or whatever. That's your Monera. Then you have a Protesta. Protesta is gonna be like your amoeba and your paramecium. They could be animal-like, like the algae, or they could be plant-like, like the algae plant-like, and animal like the amoeba. I mean protozoa. Then we have the fungi. Fungi is mostly multicellular. That's gonna be a yeast and a mushroom. These are what we call saprophytic, which means that they feed on dead animals. Obviously, plantae, you know, that's your ferns, your gymnosperms. Plantae actually is they have chlorophyll because they produce what? Their own food. So they are autotrophic. Autotrophic. I don't know if y'all ever heard that word before, but they are autotrophic. Autotrophic, which means that they produce their own food using using energy from the sun. And obviously you have animal kingdom, which is going to be everything: lions, cats, dogs, you know, all them stuff. So you have your fish, your mammals, your reptiles, all of them inside your birds. That's your vertebrates, and then you have your invertebrates, right? So these are your 5 main kingdoms. Today we're gonna be talking about the animal kingdom, and we're gonna talk about these 5 kingdoms in depth whenever we get a chance. So animal kingdom. So the animal kingdom can be divided into 2 main groups. So the animal kingdom can be divided into 2 main groups. Okay. What are the 2 main groups? Invertebrate.
Invertebrates and vertebrates.
Very good. Invertebrate and vertebrates. And vertebrates.
One question.
Vertebrates have what?
Backbone.
Vertebrates have
Backbone.
vertebrates are animals that what have backbone. And invertebrates, go ahead, Cleveland.
Is a iguana cold-blooded or warm-blooded?
We can figure it right now. So vertebrates are animals with backbone, and invertebrates are animals without backbone. Okay, so that's very important. So let me move that. Without backbone. Okay. So now when we look at vertebrates can be divided into what? 5 groups. Into 5 groups. What are the 5 groups that they could be divided into?
Fish.
Or 5 classes. Let's call them classes. What are they?
Fish.
They're gonna be fish. What else?
Birds.
Birds. What else?
Reptiles.
Reptiles.
Mammals and amphibians.
Mammals and amphibians. Very good. And amphibians. Okay. Now let's talk about warm-blooded. So warm-blooded animals. Okay, before we do it, let's start to highlight certain stuff. What we want to highlight is we want to highlight invertebrate and vertebrates. So if you have a highlighter, highlight that. Invertebrates and vertebrates. Highlight without backbone. Okay. Without backbone. And highlight have backbone. Okay, and then you have vertebrates, which is going to be something that you'd want to know, and invertebrates. So these are the words that you highlight as you study. You're going to make sure that you know these keywords and key ideas. And obviously you need to know all of the 5 classes of them stuff. So highlight that too. Okay, good. Now we're talking about warm-blooded animals. Now, warm-blooded animals, these are going to be animals that they can keep their temperature no matter what the temperature on the outside is. So warm-blooded animals, warm-blooded animals, animals are able to, or is it warm-blooded animals can keep their body temperature the same no matter the temperature on the outside. Warm-blooded animals can keep their temperature the same no matter the temperature on the outside. Their bodies have special ways to produce heat when it's cold and cool down when it's hot. Examples is gonna be, what are some examples of
Humans.
humans? Yeah. So examples include mammals. So that's gonna be like humans, wolves, yeah, whales, right, etc. And birds. So birds are also warm-blooded. So warm-blooded animals, please make sure you understand that warm-blooded animals, they have the ability to control their own body temperature. So they don't rely on the outside environment to determine their body temperature. So they're able to produce heat. So even in a cold environment, they're still able to produce heat to keep themselves warm. Okay. So that's very important. So
Oh,
what's that?
so that explains when my family had the air condition on and I still felt a bit warm.
Yes, because your body is able to adjust, right? Especially to adjust so that you wouldn't die. And make sure that your core or your core, the organs in your core, the important organs in the core has a lot of blood so that you could feel warm. You may feel the extremities cold, so your hands may be cold, your fingers may be cold, but your core is still warm, right? They can, so cold-blooded animals are the opposite, right? They rely on the outside temperature for the temperature of their bodies. They cannot produce heat on their own. So they cannot control their body temperature on their own. Instead, they rely on the outside environment to help them. Their body temperature their body temperature changes based on their surroundings. If it is cold outside, they become cold. And if it is warm, on the outside, they become warm. So that means that they allow the outside temperature to dictate their body temperature. So examples include reptiles, amphibians, and fishes. All right. All right, so that's gonna be the difference between them. So the difference between warm-blooded versus cold-blooded animals is that warm-blooded, they do not rely on outside environment to control their body temperature. They produce heat on their own, right? Cold-blooded, on the other hand, cold-blooded, they rely on the outside environment. So when it's cold on the outside, they're cold. When it's hot, they're hot, right? So they allow the outside environment to dictate their body temperature, okay? But warm-blooded, they're able to control their own body temperature, which means that their body temperature stays relatively constant, right? Okay, so that's the difference. All right, what I'm gonna do, let me put the quiz inside the chat for this, because we have a quiz for this. How many persons are still writing this? How many persons are still writing this down?
Me.
I mean, if you start writing.
Me.
Still writing.
I'm
Still writing.
finished.
Still writing. Okay. If you're finished, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. If you're finished, take a screenshot and send it to me. But we're gonna move on. We're gonna do the quiz. Let me send the quiz inside the chat. Well, again, once you've sent the quiz, once you finish it, once you start the quiz, put started inside the chat. Again, once you start the quiz, put started inside the chat. Once you start the quiz, put started inside the chat. Okay. Once you start the quiz, put started inside the chat. Once you start the quiz, put started inside the chat.
I'm on cold-blooded right now.
Okay. All right, so
Hi, Mr. B, did you see mine?
you done? Let me see. Yes, I see Rochelle. No, I see yours. Very good. All right. So take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Also take a picture of your take a picture of your grade once you have done the quiz. Sion, what are you on the quiz or are you on the chat?
I'm on the quiz.
On the quiz, okay, good. Albert Rocks, are you on the quiz? Or on the chat?
I'm on the chat.
Oh, I mean not chat, I mean on the notes.
I'm on the note.
On the notes, okay. Davanique, what are you doing? The quiz or the notes?
I'm sending the quiz to you.
Okay, good. Okay. Danaj Moss, are you done with the quiz?
Yes, sir, I send it to you right now.
Okay. And Kylie, are you doing the quiz or the notes?
I'm on the quiz.
Okay. And Gina, are you on the quiz or the notes?
I'm finished with both.
Okay.
I'm on the quiz.
Okay. Gina, you say you finished with the quiz?
No, I'm doing the quiz.
You're doing the quiz, okay. Um, Marion Tucker,
I'm completing the quiz.
completing the quiz?
Yes.
Okay. And Rochelle Lowe,
Yes, sir.
you finished the quiz and the notes?
Yes, sir.
That's good. And Ranika,
Yes, sir.
what do you want, the quiz or the notes?
The quiz.
The quiz. And I think that's Nikki.
I'm finished with both.
Okay. All right. Ajani, where's Ajani? Where's Ajani? Ajani, are you doing the quiz or the? Are you in the quiz or the notes? Ajani,
I doing the quiz.
say it again.
I said I doing the quiz.
You're doing the quiz, okay. And is there anyone who has finished both of them, the quiz and the
Yes,
notes?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
if you
sir.
finish if you finish with both, you can leave.
Have a
Good
good
night,
night.
Mr. Petit.
Good night, have a good night.
Good night.
Good night, good night, good night.
Mr. Petit, are you referring to both health and general science?
Did you do auto?
I did.
Yes, you could go.
I got 20 out of 20. I'm going to send them real quick.
That's good.
Excuse me, this Rashid, and I
Yes.
finish everything.
All right, good. Have a wonderful evening. Take care.
Okay. Good night.
All right. All right, good night.
See you tomorrow by God's grace.
Good night. Good night. Good night. I'll have a wonderful evening. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.